How to fix iPhone screen zoomed in. Modern life revolves around our smartphones, and your iPhone is more than just a communication tool. It's a personal hub that keeps you connected, informed, and entertained. However, technical glitches can sometimes disrupt this seamless experience, like when your iPhone screen becomes inexplicably zoomed in. This issue can be more than an annoyance. It can hinder your ability to access apps, read messages, and view content properly. Fortunately, you don't have to put up with a zoomed in screen. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the potential reasons behind this problem and provide a detailed roadmap to help you resolve it and bring your iPhone screen back to its normal state. We will cover various methods. We will cover various methods from temporary fixes that offers immediate relief to more in-depth solutions that tackle the root cause of the problem. Whether you are experiencing this issue for the first time or it's a recurring nuisance, we have got you covered. By the end of this tutorial, you will be equipped with the knowledge to troubleshoot and rectify your iPhone's zoomed in screen. Now, if your screen is zoomed in, you can use your three fingers and double tap on your screen, and your screen will be in the normal size. Then go to Settings. In Settings, scroll down and click on Accessibility. In Accessibility above, you can see the zoom is on. What you can do is click on Zoom option, and from here you can toggle off the zoom. Down there you will get all the options related to zoom. Just toggle off this button from here. Just below zoom you can see zoom magnifies the entire screen. Double tap three fingers to zoom. Drag three fingers to move around the screen. Double tap three fingers and drag to change zoom. If your screen is zoomed in, just use your three fingers and double tap. Your screen will get to normal. So this is how you can fix iPhone screen zoomed in. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.